Please, let's do our best to give hope to everybody around us. We are in a serious crackum right now. Nigerians with a shake. This is the first time in the history of this country where it's in level everybody. You understand? Buhari did something that we never expected he would ever do in his life. Buhari actually apologized. Buhari is a man of war. Do you know? Buhari is a man of war. For Buhari to apologize, it means the thing he go round. He says, say, man, I tried. I destroyed these people. I showed them shady. You don't understand? I said Buhari is a man of war. Even when there was no war in the world, Buhari created war. World War I, World War II, Biafra War. Buhari look, you know, see war. He creates war against indiscipline. You don't understand me? So for Buhari to feel apologize, let me say we really don't enter around. Instead, say, but no be Buhari apology we need. One of that governor said, don't go apologize, beg for forgiveness. No! Now only one human being, the whole Nigeria, they wait for make he apologize. And let me fear with him. That is the only human being we want to hear, I am sorry. Because he humble everybody. He bring everybody to the same level. Billionaire, millionaire, thousandaire, zillionaire, same level. This is the first time in the history of this country we know the meaning of I get money but I don't get cash. Imagine you billionaire and proper person will get zero account balance. Then go ATM, now the same 5,000. Poor people take and see business that week now. What are you telling me? Now poor people they first go ATMs, 5 a.m. they don't queue. Big man know the quick wake up. So by the time when big man go reach ATM, their tally number now 105. So now poor man go reach the ATM, come begin shout, who want buy turn? Who want buy turn? Because no guarantee you won't withdraw. Make nobody pressure you. He go round, he touch everybody, he humble everybody. Don't be my friend, we run enter police station. Please help me, help me, help me, help me. They say, they just robbed me for that corner. Eh? Where? That corner? Why you say go past there? Now there they robbed our DPO last week. I say he go round, he touch everybody. And they were walking, they sell all those their small things. One man reached and said, please give me half candle. You don't ever hear that before? Half candle. Person who afford food, I say half candle. Now Aboki provoke say, "Hey, what like half candle? Who go buy the remaining half?" He say, "Aboki, you go see customer." As they argue, treat one of that guy come. Aboki, you get half candle. I don't tell you, we plenty. Meanwhile, before matches now 10 naira, now matches now 100 naira. After they argue candle finish, now the guy look Aboki matches. Aboki, before matches na 10 naira, but now 100 naira pack. He said, no, one stick, I need one stick. He humble everybody. At the church last Sunday, one guy, they back, they cry. He they talk in mind to God. Say, Father, please. I can't take it anymore. I can't. God, as you do Jonah for Bible, that fish when you send go swallow Jonah, you go send that more. You go send that fish. I go there like we should beach on Sunday 2 o'clock. Make it go swallow me up. And when it go open mouth, now Atlanta. Everybody will cut out. What we say Buhari really all that when they do not lie. Once on our wahala don't too much, he don't carry back, he don't go. Now wahala, Buhari go coronation of King Charles. As he just here say, the court matter goes to act when they make a second here. Because things don't change for Nigeria. You don't notice say, you get one time when you go greet person for house, the person they chop, you go tell you say, please join me. You don't notice people know they talk nothing again. before you go talk some kind of language for this country, we go say, what is your problem? The person will not say in the vex, and make you ask and say, what is your problem? Nowadays, if you do mistake, ask what is your problem. They will tell you their problem. One lie, because problem full everywhere. My guy, they drive in Benz, they go, they can pay brochure. As the guy come down, make it for talk normal, you don't share that for talk, now go use English. What is your problem? The Yoruba man, he take him to me, say he don't see destiny helper. As he say, what is your problem? The man, you know, Baba, me tinyo on the body. Problem is not poor. Only me, let me say, he can't tell the problem. My guy don't know when he put hand for pockets. Come on, give us a go. But you see, no matter how the condition be for this country, Ibadan people fear them all. Ibadan people have been known to strategically understand recession and adjust. We were all born in recession, forget and all this one with the package. Now recession, they born all of us. We are the most resilient race on the face of the earth. No condition where you put Nigeria, we must survive. I mean, I don't see what happened. For the first time in the history of this country, people, CBN say return your old notes, 500 naira, 1,000 naira. For the first time in the history of this country, people carry Ghana Moscow of money, they pass Lagos Island. One go return money, area boys stand, they look, they don't feel rob them. So Ibadan people, first time we go Ibadan, go sit down, 95. The bread who they buy for Lagos, you get the size. For Ibadan, I see one cocoa bread. I don't understand, say, who they chop this one? They don't adjust ahead of time. They know say they come. They know. That's why Korope boss na Ibadan people start out. They don't fit meet up with Vanagon for Lagos, they create Korope. I reach Ibadan, say make I pop my tire for challenge. This one who did Lagos. Anybody with a drive motor, how much did they put tire? 200 naira. Flat. For organizers are one of the most organized associations in Nigeria. Anywhere where they put price, overnight, like the same everywhere. Then, if you like, I did follow Guru. One boy they put for me that time, 200, 20 naira. I read that the next one, he said, Baba, 15 naira, and now look at it. But then, I reach here, they don't change price. I shock. I don't know how they communicate. So, you see, now those small children, we will start with, give them proper orientation, education, change their mindset. Because if you see the comment what we do for social media, now they take close everything don't rot in nothing of video again. That comment on social media, from the comment you can tell say we are toxic, we are gone. We no longer have empathy, we don't have love. We just exist. If American post something for Facebook where concern life, imagine say American now put I want to end it all on Facebook. Immediately for the comment section, somebody go ask him, Nancy, are you okay? Nancy, where are you? Nancy, he go begin trace all the friends, look for somebody who know Nancy. He go, somebody don't call police. Nancy dey her house for kitchen, they fry pizza. Police don't come. Hello, ma'am, are you Nancy? Can you please step out the door? Put leg for ground, person break your leg, sue them. Now work for abroad. If Nancy sue them, now money, so they go compensate and buy a new house, give a new car. But Nigeria, no be movie title. The guy go write am, he go clear, he go say, I want to kill myself. Every day we dey say, the first comment where you go see under that post, one fellow frustrated Nigerian go reply that guy, who you help? Another person go respond to am, greet my papa for me oh. Another one go reply am, I dey sell sniper oh. Another one go reply am, that your cloth wey you wear, drop am before you go, I like am. But the worst comment of all, person saying he want to kill himself. A fellow Nigerian that this administration supposed give certificate of endurance go right under Please, I need budget 2K. 2K kill you here. So we need to go back to the foundation. And I'll tell you where we missed it. Let me tell you where we missed it. The training we got from childhood was based on Oyibo mentality. We forgot our ethnic rudiments. Our ethnic rudiments were rich in lessons and perseverance. Oyibo teach us poem. Say, London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. There's a falling there. Ringa, ringa, roses, a bucket full of roses. A tissue, we all fall down. You will fall. Then they don't go, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Is it possible for the rain to go away because John wants to play? It's not possible. But this is what our fathers did instead. Sorry if you don't understand Yoruba. He says, Ojoro, Sheremune, Mabonojo, Ki Ashore, Mabatutu, Ki Otutu, Mabamu. Which one makes sense? You see, but we, by ourselves, we don't destroy her. Sandalili, sandali,